Hey little marshmallows, how are you doing? I'm doing wonderful. I hope you guys you had a great day yesterday. So, as you can see, I'm gonna be doing something crazy. Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry. I should have get some things ready for the video. You know, simple kind of stuff, and then let's clean it up. Now you guys are probably wondering, what crazy thing do you have planned for us today? I have slime. I have Shopkins. And I want to make them join. So, over here by the side, I have some Shopkins. And I'm going to do something crazy. So, I have blue slime. I already activated it. And I'm going to just pick one of these. So, let's go. So, I just chose one. See what's in it. 3 bunch of bananas. Let's just put them in. Oh my god, guys. You guys, this is really satisfying just to mix in. Because it's just like so many different shapes. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to start falling down. Boom. There. We have a next slime, which is a white slime. I just chose another one. Boop-a-doo-doo-doo. 2 waffles. Chocolate and vanilla. Oh wow. So I just mixed it in. And now, we're doing this one. Second one. So